Hi guys, this is Tracy Lee at tracyleecoaching.com. I thank you for stopping by my video today. Today it is video 8 of 30 of the 30-day video challenge. I want to thank every single one of you for being on my video today, for being here. Hit that like, share, and comment button. Share it to the world. Hit the notification bell so you can hear when I go live next. My topic today is about why your health is an asset to your business and why you should really think strongly on that. Why is your health an asset to your business? Number one, you need to be in good health to be able to run a successful business. If you're not healthy and you're not in the right mind and you're feeling bad and everything, it reflects on your overall business for sure. You can't do a good job if you're not feeling good. I can't. My health is very, very important to me. That would be number one. Would be the need to change your health habits to get in the right mind, to get your business in 100% tip-top shape, just like yourself. Get yourself into tip-top shape, and your business will reflect that. When you do your little chores in your businesses, you will come out on top. Number two, getting the right amount of sleep. Sleep is a major thing. I really struggle with sleep. I get enough sleep a day. It's just that my job demands a high energy level from me, so it makes it really hard for me to go to sleep at night and wake up refreshed. I don't wake up refreshed very often, but I still have to go to work and I still have to do my job because that's the thing. And I'm sure that's the same way for a lot of you. I usually get home around 5:30, 6 o'clock at night. You know, I get into my business, do my business, what I have to do, and some of the things that I like to do. I like to get into it a little bit. I like doing these videos. I'm new at it, but I like doing them. I'm glad you're here with me tonight. But yeah, just your overall health and your overall sleep habits. You know, your sleep habits are, if you get up in the morning every day and you go to work and you didn't sleep good the next night, then how do you think your next day is going to be? It's going to be even worse. And I feel it come Wednesday morning, like this morning. I could feel it from Monday and Tuesday. And I got about 7 hours sleep. I didn't get much sleep. I got about 7 hours sleep. I need to go to bed earlier. I need to get a cutoff time in there earlier. So I'm going to sleep at least by 9:30, 10 o'clock. That'll be my goal now. It's not 11, 12 o'clock watching a little TV, all that junk. I don't need that. I need to sleep. So yeah, that's number two. Number three would be what you eat. You know, what your eating habits are, what the right foods are for your diet. And I know this is a big one for me because, and I'll be the first to admit it, I don't eat the right things all the time. Not all the time. You know, I eat pizza and I eat all kinds of good stuff, but it's not really good for you. It's not. And I'll be the first to admit it. You know, and so that would be my tip to you guys is to go out and start implementing things in your diet to help your overall health, to get you better and feeling better. That way, when you do your work for your businesses or whatever line you're in, it'll reflect. It'll definitely reflect in your overall outcome on what you want to achieve, for sure. And it'll probably come a lot quicker sometimes. Because your mind's working good, and you got to keep your mind in tip-top shape, and the only way to do that is to be able to eat healthy foods. I've been doing a lot better at eating healthy foods. Ace and Rich Guzman talked about their green drink that they eat all the time. Well, I tried their green drink, and man, I tell you, that's like getting a shot of adrenaline right to the brain. I mean, you take one sip of that stuff, and it just goes right to your brain, and you're alert. And you feel it. It goes directly into your bloodstream, and it's one good drink. It's a very healthy drink, and I'm going to continue using it. Ace, I talked to her yesterday, and we talked about it, and she asked me if I was drinking my green drinks, and I said yes, I was. Yes, I was. And the other thing I wanted to hit on tonight, that was number three. You know, your diet affects your overall performance for sure. As far as food goes, you know, drink a lot of water, you know, good water, not the crap water they have out there. I know about that. Um, yeah, definitely, it affects your overall performance on how you know, how your body reacts to what you put in it, you know, and then that's the way you're going to feel. So definitely drink that green juice. Call it the Green Man Lishi. It's good stuff. So anyhow, yeah, and the other thing was get out and exercise. You know, I know a lot of you say, "Oh, I exercise, I walk," and that's good. That's, you know, walking and stuff like that. Now, my coaches told me, you know, when they did my assessment through Diamond Coaching, they did an assessment on all of us, and one of the areas I liked the most was being able to exercise. And I told Rich that I like bikes. You know, I like to ride bicycles. You know, I like to ride motorcycles, but that's, you know, that's a different ball game right there. But as far as bicycles go, now I love riding real nice bikes. You know, real good bikes. You know, bikes that can go on road or off road. You know, and so I did the unusual, and I bought one today, or actually I bought it last week. I'm waiting for it to arrive. It is bought and paid for. It's a 2019 men's Schwinn Super Sport. Get that out there. 2019 men's Super Sport. It's a very nice bike. I can't wait for it to get here. I have to have it assembled. It's still in the box coming from the factory. I'm really excited about it, and I hope you guys get excited about it too, because I got a really good deal on it. If you go to Google, you can Google Schwinn, and you can go into the men's bicycles, and they're all on sale right now. And I pretty much got $1,000 bike for about 350 bucks. I'm not kidding. And so I'm going to ride the heck out of that when I get it. But I'm definitely excited about that. So anyhow, that's my live video for tonight. I really stress on you guys going out there and getting healthy, and make sure you're healthy in your mind and your body and your spirit, and that'll definitely show in your business, because it's definitely showing in mine. I've made a lot of progress in the last few months with coaching, of course, but with the knowledge that I'm learning from coaching, and especially from my coaches and my mentors. I love them to death. I'll always be there for them. So anyway, you all have a fine evening. Have a great week. You know, finish hard. Knock out your businesses, and let's crush it for 2019. This is Tracy Lee, TracyLeeCoaching.com. Have a good night.